everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mac if you're new here, and today I'm going to be talking about 3 ways that you can get started making money online as a beginner with no experience, no social media following, just somebody who wants to make money online and has no idea where to begin. I'm going to be giving you 3 ways that you can do that in this video today. If you're not already subscribed to the channel, please consider doing so. I post videos every week talking about how to make money online, different passive income streams, e-commerce, and so much more. So if that interests you, join the community, be a part of it, and you'll get notified anytime I post a new video. So before I get into the video today, I wanted to mention a website that is going to be super helpful to you if you are a brand new business owner or you're just getting started with your online business. And that website is going to be tailorbrands.com. Tailor Brands is a way that you can set up every single thing you need for your online business all within one platform. This is absolutely amazing because it is so overwhelming when you're first starting out and you don't know exactly how and what you're supposed to do for your online business. So on Tailor Brands, you would just go through and fill out all of your information, inputting everything that you want for your brand, what you're selling, and so much more. And it'll help you create the perfect website, secure your domain. You can even do your branding and digital marketing. And to top it all off, you can even register your business with an LLC through their platform. If you are unfamiliar with an LLC, it is a limited liability company and it's one of the best ways to register your business when you are brand new. And it can often get tricky on your state's website. So to be able to have a platform that you can set this up in is really, really cool. And I don't know any other place or platform that you can do this through all in one spot. So definitely check this out. Don't skip that step and see what Tailor Brands can offer for you because it is a very helpful platform and I do recommend it a lot. So it will be linked down below in the description along with a code for 20% off for you to get started and see if it's for you and see how great it can be and helpful when you're starting out your online business. So the first thing that I want to talk about today is UGC, which is user-generated content. Now, how this would work is you would be creating content specifically for a brand or product and sending that over to them for money in exchange for a video. So you would be creating either a video or photos for their product or service, and you would send that directly to the brand for them to use for marketing. So you are not posting it on your personal social media pages. You are specifically creating that content for that brand, and nobody even has to know that you created the content, especially if your face doesn't need to be shown depending on what the product is. And you don't need a following for this because you are not being paid based on your following or your engagement. You are being paid on just that specific content that you are creating. And this is a really, really great way to get started, especially if you're someone who's a micro influencer or you're trying to become an influencer and you like creating content or you're constantly on social media and you see what kind of content people like, then this would be especially great for you to check out. Now, if you're wondering, okay, well, how do I get started? Like, how do I work with brands? It's actually a lot easier than you think. And you might not be working with the exact brands that you want to start working with immediately, but you can use websites such as Fiverr or Upwork to secure these deals. Now, usually, most of the time, especially when I did this, you are not going to be asked for prior work. So even if you don't have a portfolio yet, don't worry about that. This is just brands that are willing to pay people and grow their social media marketing skills. So by having a user generate content for them, it is much easier. This is a huge thing and it's going to become so much more popular. So if you've ever heard of it before, or if this is your first time hearing about it, definitely look into it and start doing this because this is going to be something that if you have this as a skill, it will help you out and it will be able to be something that you can grow and eventually even become an influencer with because you'll have all of these different content skills that you've created. So I definitely recommend checking that out. And if you want more information on this, let me know in the comment section below because I have done it before for brands. So I would love to make like a full video talking more about it. So definitely let me know if that interests you. So the next thing that I want to talk about today is affiliate marketing. Now, I'm sure you have heard of affiliate marketing before. It is something that is talked about a lot online, but a lot of the times it's a little bit confusing on how you can actually get started and what exactly is required of you. So you don't need a following to get started. It is helpful if you have one, but you can still do this on a platform such as Pinterest and grow your account and actually get clicks without essentially having a following or followers. As long as you are using the correct SEO and you're using tags and you're actually getting to the correct customer base, you can make this work, trust me. So if you're not familiar with affiliate marketing, basically it is a deal between you and a brand or company where you are getting paid by referrals. So you would be marketing whatever the product or service they have on a platform, and anytime you bring a order or you bring a customer to their website, you will be getting paid. A lot of the times the commissions are a bit low, but there is high ticket affiliate marketing, which would be you are getting paid a good amount of money for whatever it is you are selling or getting somebody to go to that website for. So it is something that is worth looking into. And this is a very good way to actually learn a marketing strategy, because if you know how to actually market the product or service to that exact audience, that is just a skill that you can then take further and put into your own business later on, or even if you wanted to start helping with marketing management. So much more, but I definitely recommend checking out affiliate marketing. You can use websites such as impact.com to go on and find brands to work with, then see what exactly the commission is that they are willing to pay you and all of that. So it is really cool to go on and see all the brands that you are potentially able to work with, and most of them don't require any experience, so you're able to just go ahead and get started. And this is something that I really recommend trying out and seeing if you like, especially if you go on Pinterest a lot, because Pinterest is a search engine, and I think people forget about that and they think it's just a social media platform, but it's actually a search engine, meaning people are going to Pinterest for help with something, for ideas with something. So if you're consistently marketing these brands, like a dog walking brand, and you're using dog photos to market this on Pinterest and people click on it, you get paid. So definitely something that is really worth it. And again, if you want to learn more about it, leave it in the comment section below and I will be happy to make a video showing you exactly how to do so. The last way that I want to talk about today and how you can make money online is going to be by one product drop shipping. Now, before you run away and say that doesn't work, I've already tried that, or it's so saturated, hear me out on exactly how I do this process, and this does actually work and is completely possible to do, especially with a platform like TikTok. So let's say you're scrolling on TikTok and you see a viral product such as that sunset lamp that was completely going off last year, and you decide, I want to purchase this. So you click on the link in the bio and you purchase this lamp for $35. Now, whoever is selling this is not holding the inventory on it and doesn't even own the product most of the time. So what will happen is they will see your order for $30 and they will go directly to a supplier such as AliExpress or Alibaba, and they will purchase that item for significantly less, such as $5 or $10, and send it directly to you. So they're the middleman and they just made that profit in between. So if you're wondering why wouldn't somebody just go to the source to actually buy the products, is a lot of people don't know that that is where most products are sourced from, is websites like that, or Chinese suppliers, or in bulk suppliers where people are doing this. So it is still a possible way. It is legal. Anything that you buy on Amazon is purchased for lower and sold at higher. That's just how it works, especially with e-commerce, and this is so possible to do. I have a full tutorial on my YouTube channel talking about this already if you are interested in more information, but I do think this is a good way for a beginner because you really don't have to put up any investment at all. The only thing that you need to do is find a product that you believe will sell, a product that solves a problem or has viral potential, meaning that you can take cool videos of it and market it on TikTok, because TikTok is the #1 platform right now to be posting things that go viral, in my opinion. There are others that you can try, such as Instagram, but I do believe that TikTok is the best way to do this, just in my own personal experience. So it is a really great way for beginners, like I said, because you don't have to purchase the product unless you actually sell the product. So it doesn't involve ordering $200 worth of something in inventory and then hoping you sell it, or like FBA where you have to store anything. It's simply, if you sell an item, you send the item to that customer and you keep that profit in between. So it is really, really great for somebody who is brand new and wants to make money online. And like I said, I do have a full tutorial talking about that, so you should definitely check it out if this sounds like something that interests you. And if you're wondering, how do I actually market these products if I am selling them, all you'd have to do is order a sample for yourself, take videos of it, or send it to an influencer and ask them to make videos for it, or UGC, asking someone to create that marketing for you where you would be posting it on on your TikTok. You can also use videos that have already gone viral as long as you tag that creator, and you can sell the product using videos that are already created, like I said, as long as you're giving credit. So it is a really great way for a beginner, especially if you want to kind of learn how to sell online, but you don't want to actually spend a bunch of money up front. So those are my 3 ways right now that I believe are best for a beginner that wants to start making money online in 2022. I really hope one of these was helpful, or that you learned something that you might be able to put into your day-to-day routine that could eventually make you money online. If you do want to see any more tutorials of those first 2 that I was talking about, please let me know in the comment section below, and feel free to leave any questions as well, and I will answer those as soon as I can. I also want to remind you to check out taylorbrands.com, especially if you are setting up your website and need help, or just want it to be so much easier. So again, everything I talked about will be linked in the description, along with that 20% off code for you to check out and get 20% off when you start with Taylor Brands. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on my future videos, and I will see you in the next one.